So see how that's flashing?
Yeah.
That's controlling the injector.
Is that flashing good? Or?
It's good. That means our PCM's good. Because I got to connect to the battery positive. So we should have, on this trace, the screen trace, we should have 12 volts. And we only have 0. Because the injector is open circuit. All the injectors get constant power from here. And then the PCM grounds it. So when I'm doing this, I'm adding power from the battery. My test light's in battery positive. And then the computer is grounding it.